Hi everyone, this is Zubair. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can make fast your Windows 10 machine by 3 steps. The first step is using Task Manager. To navigate Task Manager, go to Taskbar and right click on it. You will see Task Manager. Click in this Task Manager. This is powerful tool. You can monitor your Windows machine performance. Okay, here in the process you will see all application is running on your machine right now, and which application is using more CPU usage and memory and disk. Now I have Active Presenter. It's using around the 50 or 60% of my CPU. It's very high. You will see here even power. So if you see some application is taking more CPU, you just right click on it and end the task. I'm not going to end this application because I'm using to record my screen. If you know some application you are not using, you can just right click and end the task. Okay. The second one is performance. Here you can monitor all your performance of CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, everything. Here in the startup, in the startup there is some application when you open your computer immediately start with the machine, so it takes your speed of your machine, so you need to disable. I already disabled WhatsApp, Skype for business, Skype and Microsoft Edge, Microsoft One. I don't use. I can open. I don't want to be startup with the machine in the first login. Okay, some software I don't know, so you can just search online. You just press and search online if you don't know what this application, like this, so you can read about it if it will affect if you disable it. The second one is disk cleanup. Go to search bar and type disk cleanup. Open and clean all your disk files. Okay, so the third one is go to the task bar, search bar, type defragmentation. This one. Open, and here you can optimize. If you have hard drive or mechanical drive, the old one, here you can optimize your hard drive. Okay, you can optimize like this. If you are SSD, no need for it. So this 3 step you can speed up your Windows 10 machine. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share my YouTube channel. Thank you.